Hi there beauties, I'm Rika and thank you for watching my videos. Today I am going to unbox a bag that I have purchased from Lazada. Just a disclaimer, I wasn't paid to promote this product. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and hit the bell button. Alright, here it is. Ta-da-da! Now let me show what's inside. Okay, it has zipper. Ta-da! And only one pocket inside with zipper. Ta-da! And it has this linen inside. Honestly, you cannot put a notebook inside this, which is as big as this one. Maybe you can have smaller ones. Or you can have pen, cell phone, like it's just that. And small umbrella. Cute! And I really like this, but it's not made of snake skin. It's just a replica, something like that. Overall impression, I really love it. Thumbs up. And we have another one here. Ta-da! So what do we have? 2 pockets and another pocket here. Pocket. There. Alright, beauties. Right now we're going to try if my laptop would fit inside this bag. Okay, here's my laptop. Yeah. And we're gonna try to fit it inside. Oh my goodness, it fit inside. It's there. Hey, oh my, it's inside. See? I can add some more. Maybe this. I'll put it inside the pocket. And something like this. Alright, now take a look at that. The laptop is already inside the bag and it still have lots of space in here where maybe I can put some documents, and I have here the mouse, okay, and some essential oil, and here I have my beauty kit, and then here I can still put something like key or something in here. Alright, beauties, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!